Audi A8 is here, and it's everything you'd expect from a flagship luxury sedan that defines what modern sophistication feels like. Audi has always been a brand that balances power with precision, and in the 2025 A8, that balance has reached near perfection. This is not just another luxury sedan. This is a statement of class, technology, and unmatched comfort, all wrapped in an elegant German design. Let's start with what immediately captures your attention, the exterior. The 2025 Audi A8 takes the classic A8 silhouette and evolves it into something sharper, bolder, and more commanding. The first thing you notice is that massive single frame grille up front. It's larger, wider, and more sculpted, with chrome detailing that makes it shimmer in any light. The LED headlights now feature Audi's latest digital matrix technology, projecting precise beams that not only illuminate the road, but can even adjust intelligently to avoid dazzling oncoming traffic. They almost look alive, sleek, sharp, and ready to pounce. From the side, the A8's proportions remain majestic, long, low, and perfectly balanced. The lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear, emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency and a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The designers have taken subtle elegance to another level. Every curve, every contour, every chrome accent has been placed with purpose. The flush door handles, frameless windows, and sculpted character lines make it look like a car carved from a single piece of metal. And those wheels, Audi offers multiple alloy options up to 21 inches, giving the A8 a truly commanding presence. Around the back, the full-width OLED taillight strip gives it a futuristic touch, with dynamic animations that play when you unlock or start the car. It's a small detail, but it perfectly reflects Audi's obsession with modern design and attention to detail. But of course, the A8 is not just about looking good, it's about how it performs. Under the hood, the 2025 A8 offers a refined lineup of powertrains, with the most prominent being the 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with a mild, hybrid system producing around 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This setup ensures smooth, instant power delivery and a 0 to 60 mph time of about 5.4 seconds, impressive for a full-size luxury sedan. For those craving more thrill, the A8 L60 TFSI variant houses a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that pushes out a breathtaking 453 horsepower and 487 lb-ft of torque, bringing that sprint down to just 4.3 seconds. The acceleration feels effortless, power flows in gracefully, thanks to the seamless 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. And Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures you're in total control, no matter the conditions. Whether you're gliding through city streets or carving through mountain roads, the A8 feels planted, confident, and incredibly composed. The 2025 A8's adaptive air suspension has also been upgraded. It reads the road ahead using front-mounted cameras and adjusts in milliseconds to provide a perfectly smooth ride. This isn't just comfort, this is technology anticipating your next move. Audi has even refined the predictive active suspension system, which can raise one side of the car slightly before a corner, keeping the cabin level through turns. It's innovation that you can actually feel. Driving the A8 feels like being in complete harmony with the road. The steering is precise, the throttle response is instant, and yet there's a serenity in how it moves. It's powerful without ever being harsh, elegant without being dull. Audi's Drive Select system lets you switch between comfort, auto, and dynamic modes, tailoring everything from suspension stiffness to steering feedback. So whether you're in the mood for a relaxed cruise or a spirited drive, the A8 adapts instantly. Now, step inside, because this is where the A8 truly redefines modern luxury. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car interior. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, soft touch materials, and genuine wood or aluminum trims that ooze sophistication. The craftsmanship is flawless, from the precise stitching on the seats to the subtle ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin. The centerpiece, of course, is Audi's dual touchscreen setup, a 10 1-inch upper display for infotainment and an 6-inch lower screen for climate control and comfort settings. It's intuitive, crisp, and seamlessly integrated into the dashboard design. Behind the steering wheel sits the fully digital 3-inch virtual cockpit display offering stunning clarity and customizable layouts for navigation, performance stats, and more. For passengers, especially in the A8L long wheelbase version, the experience borders on first-class travel. Rear seat occupants enjoy reclining leather chairs with massage, ventilation, and heating functions. There are even footrests integrated into the front seats and optional executive rear seat packages that add personal entertainment screens and a central control tablet. The cabin is whisper quiet thanks to enhanced acoustic insulation and double pane glass, making every journey peaceful and refined. And then there's the technology. The A8 comes equipped with Audi's latest MI system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, and over-the-air updates. The sound experience is delivered by a 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, delivering theater-quality audio that fills the cabin with crystal clarity. Add to that the advanced driver assistance suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam pilot, and predictive efficiency systems, and you have one of the smartest, safest luxury sedans on the planet. Every element of the A8 has been engineered to deliver calm, confidence, and control. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the backseat, the 2025 Audi A8 ensures one thing: perfection in motion. As for the price, the 2025 Audi A8 starts at around $9800 USD, while the A8L 60 TFSI model with the twin-turbo V8 can go well above $105,000 USD depending on configuration and options. It's undoubtedly a serious investment, but one that rewards you with unmatched craftsmanship, innovation, and timeless design. The 2025 Audi A8 isn't about making noise, it's about making a statement, a quiet, confident, and powerful one. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it through excellence. For those who demand precision, luxury, and performance in perfect harmony, the A8 remains one of the finest choices in the automotive world. This is the future of understated elegance. This is the 2025 Audi A8, where power meets perfection and luxury meets intelligence.